Hi, Dave D. Schoolmeister here, and this quick tip is called missed opportunity. Now, I have a big question for you, all of you out there, with your own practice. How many of you all have a TV in your waiting room? Wow, a lot of you. Okay, for those who don't, look around the room because there's a lot of people who have TVs in their waiting room, and that's the right thing to do. Now, how many of you have your own advertisements that you've put together on all of the services or products or anything that you provide to your patients playing on your TV? Ooh, a lot of hands just went down. Okay, this is the missed opportunity. And here's some examples. For instance, every dentist that I've ever had, whenever we've moved and had to go and find a new dentist, every single one of the dentists that I've ever been in had a TV in their waiting room. And you know what they were playing? Can you believe I actually saw one dentist playing monkey videos with a monkey showing, and I realized that, for little kids, that's kind of funny to see a monkey brushing their teeth. However, and that's fine. I mean, if you're a pediatric, dentist, then that's great. However, you also saw adults. And the thing is, there were so many different services that you provided. For instance, sleep apnea devices, guards that you put in your mouth. If you would put together a brief advertisement and then interview some of your patients that have seen success with these, others will get the idea, oh my gosh, I never thought to ask about this. Because you know what? I have sleep apnea, and the entire time I've seen any dentist, I've never had any dentist ask me about whether I have sleep apnea and whether they have a device that I'd like to try. Okay, but that's just dentist. Think about all the other services and that you're not talking about. Why are you playing the news in your waiting room? Oh my gosh, the news is depressing. Why would you want to set up a depressed situation when your patient's got to come in and maybe undergo a little bit of pain while they're there, or even get bad news from you? Why do you want to add to the depression? No, some people just play regular TV, like, the soap operas and stuff. My gosh, that's just, no. Put together videos depicting your services, discussing about them, the pros, the cons, and then showing some patients who have undergone this. Now, they don't have to be long videos for each service. Each service you could provide maybe a 2-minute video, shorter than what this is right here, but still, come on. I realize this is a quick tip, so I don't want to go too much further into this. But if you put this stuff together, you're going to get people more interested in the services that you have. They're going to go home and talk to their neighbors, their friends, and other people who have issues like the dentist with sleep apnea service. They may not have somebody in their immediate family, but they know somebody. I mean, it's so prevalent in today's society that I can't think of anybody who at least doesn't know somebody who has sleep apnea. So just think about all the other services. A plastic surgeon. Now, you could be having people come in that are just getting a mommy makeover or this or that. But what if you help people who are in accidents, and you show, oh my gosh, this is what happened to them, and this is how we were able to help them, and it was just what a night and day difference, and we just completely changed their lives. The next time somebody's in an accident, who are they going to recommend? You. All right, so that's your quick tip for today. Missed opportunity of not putting advertisements on TV in your waiting room. You need to do this. And don't think people are going to think, oh, he just thinks so highly of himself, or she thinks so highly of herself. No, you're providing a service to them. You're helping them. Show them the other things that you can help with. And if they don't need it, they know someone who does. All right? Thank you so much. God bless you, and God bless your practice. Thanks. Well, if you liked what you just heard and you think, I wonder what he might be able to do for my practice, well, go to www.d14coaching.com/book-a-call. Just like you see on the screen here. And we'd love to meet you and talk to you and see if there's anything that we could do to help you be the success that you want to be. Go to d14coaching.com/book-a-call. All right, and we'll see you later. Thank you.